One of the first jobs you have to do when you pull up on site is to fit the trailer legs on, because when we flip this over, it needs support. Simple to fit, in the groove, knob spring, very, very simple to do. Here, this is where we're starting the process of erecting it, opening the back door, swinging it out. The legs have actually been attached to the top unit, so he's now undoing the clip, and this is where he comes to the main lid, tips it up, and onto the floor. Once we're in this position here now, we fold out all the material to make it easy to pull up. And swinging the arm over, which is on a hinge. Then we go back now, around the other side, into the middle. This is where we actually have to fit a pole in between the two poles, because as it was hinged, there's a gap. Insert one pole into the other side, zip it up, and then walk back round. Standing on the unit, pulling up. Little snag there. Pulls it up. As far forward as possible. And then we come inside. And extends the side poles. And now you're in a position now just to insert a couple of extra poles and get your sleeping bag in there ready to sleep.